Hello, my name is Alanna Wilcox, and I just wanted to come and let you know how awesome Kate's Digital MasterChef group is. So a year ago, I was deciding if I wanted to stay in my job at the time, which was being a high school art teacher, or if I could make that transition to being a full-time artist and an instructor. And so I knew that I had the skills, if you will, to make it happen, but I didn't have the marketing experience and know-how, and I just was lost when it came to the business end, right? Like I was really good with the creative stuff, but the business end, not so much. And so I was talking to a friend of mine, and they were a marketer and said that they knew, who Kate was and that she had a really great program and to go check it out and see that it might be a good fit for me. And so I went and I checked it out. I signed up right away. So this was the first time that, I ever used any of Kate's products. But I have to tell you that as I started to watch the videos and as I started to follow, the instructions that Kate gave and the suggestions of other people in the membership, it was just amazing how small little tweaks and changes had such profound impact. So the people in the group were amazingly supportive. Kate's advice on things to do had instantaneous results, and I am happy to announce that a year later I am officially going to put in my resignation papers. So I'm giving up on that teacher pension and all the perks, the healthcare and all of that, because I can say with confidence that applying all of the things that I learned from being part of that group are really helping me not only switch careers, but feeling very confident to do so. So I cannot recommend this Digital MasterChef group that Kate has, highly enough. It was life-changing. So I hope that helps you in your decision if you're thinking about joining it. I would highly recommend it.